How's it going, guys? It's Gemini's here. I hope you and your family are safe. Let me tell you a story while watching this video. This is a story of a man who was living in a modern city. And every day, he was thinking, how would it be to leave the city and travel the mountains? What would I see on the other side of the mountain? And finally, the day came, and the man went on the journey. While he was tracking the trail, he met a traveler. So he asked, "How's the trail like? And what did you see on the other side?" And so the traveler shared his experience and also described what he saw on the other side of the mountain. But the man starts talking in his head. The journey sounds very exhausting. There must be a better way. So he continued looking for the trail until he met the next traveler. Once again he asked, "How's the trail like? And what did you see on the other side?" And so the other traveler shared his journey. Still not determined on which way to go, the man waited for 10 more travelers and asked them. When he finished talking to all of them, he finally made up his mind. From their stories, with what I heard, their experience in finding the trail, especially what they saw on the other side, it's time to go back. I don't need to continue the journey. It is very unfortunate, but this man never really saw what's on the other side of the mountain. You see, in your life, you have to find the most suitable way for yourself and track a better trail. Yes, it is good to hear experiences of others. It allows you to recreate and visualize the scenario with words. But real life experiences, it's impossible to replace. When you're actually standing at the other side of the mountain, when you personally experience the challenge of finding the trail, to see clearly, feel the emotion, and experience the journey. That is the clarity of what real life experience will give you. We all have challenges in life. Mine can be the same as yours, or it can be different. But being able to finish the journey, share the experience on how you face the challenges, repeat the same excitement when you receive the reward, and tell your audience that you are the hero in this story. Once again, this is Gemalanes. Thanks for watching and stay safe.